Hi, Jen here with ROI Jolt, and in this video we are going to be talking about how much ad spend should I allocate to Facebook and Instagram ads. It's one of the questions that I get asked the most frequently. So here goes. If you are an established business, meaning you have been in business for a year or longer, you've generated revenue from your business. If you're doing at least $2,000 a month in revenue, great. Also, if you have an email audience to leverage, so maybe a list size of 1,000 or more, you probably only need about $3,000 in ad spend per month to allocate towards Facebook and Instagram ads. If you are a startup or if you are a business that does not have an email list size of 1,000, you don't have a strong social following, you really need to be allocating about $5,000 per month in Facebook ads, or especially at least for the very first month, to be able to cover enough of split testing buying personas, split testing audiences, split testing the copywriting around the ads, split testing the creatives being used within the ads, so the images, the videos, and then split testing the ad types, so single image ad, carousel ad, video ad, instant experiences. Otherwise, if you are not able to allocate $3,000 to $5,000 a month, depending upon where your business fits within those blocks, can you spend less and see results on Facebook and Instagram? Yes, you can. Will you be able to work with a provider who knows what they're doing, can actually set up and manage effective campaigns? Probably not, unless you're going to be spending 2 to 3 to possibly 5 times more to work with an agency with that small limited budget. Could you DIY it? Yes, 100%. You can DIY it. 90% of the time, most people who try and DIY it are not going to see results. It's not me saying that. It's because I've had a lot of clients come through the doors over the past 9 years where they've said, I've tried DIYing it and I've audited their ad accounts and I can see what a complete mess their ad accounts are. So if you're going to be working with any kind of provider for Facebook and Instagram ad campaign management, you really need to be able to allocate $3,000 to $5,000 per month in ad spend, depending on whether your business is established and has a email list to leverage and social following, or you don't. So I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Stay tuned.